Hey everybody, today we have something a little bit different. Have you ever seen this before? It has a belt clip, it's got a couple dials, it has a button. It's a little different, and we're going to be talking about it today. And I was not expecting to talk about this, but it blew my mind. So this is going to be a topic today. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. You're about to learn about a new tool. Here we go. So this right here is one of the most powerful compact flashlights slash lasers that I've actually ever seen. I was very skeptical when they first contacted me. This is Olight, and this is the arc field light. Now this is a full body aluminum construction. It has a belt clip on the back. It works flawlessly going in and coming out of your pocket, and it actually stays in place. It doesn't actually bother me as well because look at its thin profile. Whenever they first contacted me, I said, nah, I'm going to pass. But they sent it to me, I tested it out, and I'm very glad I did because they said they had some innovative technologies built into this. Now, if we take a very close look, you're going to see that I have a dial here and here. This side is a laser, and if I press the button, well, I have a laser on my hand. It's a green laser. To be honest with you, I am not sure why I need a laser or what I would use that for, but it's kind of cool to have. But the big thing about it, you do have a battery indicator here, is that when we go to this side and we press the button, well, the light is a bit different. And I'm going to give you good perspective because there are 3 different levels of light. First, you press the button and you get the last light that was used. You press and hold it. It goes to a brighter light. You press and hold it. It goes to an even brighter light. Now, for such a small flashlight, that is absolutely incredible. Now, just to show you how good this is, whenever you take a look at this, you can see it gives a nice little flood of light, and then it goes to a little bit brighter, and then, oh my goodness, I can see the entire side of my camper. Now, something that I like for these particular flashlights, I love compact flashlights. I always have them in my EDC, everyday carry. I usually use a Milwaukee light. They're pretty good. I have some Ryobi lights as well, but this light right here, this may stick in my pocket for a long time and not just in a bag, simply because it has a really nice belt clip and I don't notice it in my pocket. I usually use these if I'm working on a furnace or in a confined space because it's nice and it's compact and it's mobile, something like my boiler. Whenever I look at my boiler, I always need a really good light, and it really works out very nicely. But this is just an insane light, especially just to have in your pocket. Now, as we take a look at my boiler, one of the other things that's really cool about this is it has neodymium magnets on the bottom of it, and it can just stick there. So it does have a really nice, I guess, double entendre because, well, that's how it charges as well. That's pretty nice, right? Now for this, I'm going to post the link down below. I would encourage you to go check it out. They did send it to me. I'm not going to hide any of that. But I didn't have high expectations. But the quality of this, the weight of it, the construction, how nice it is, everything about it, it's pretty top notch and not something I've seen from some of the top manufacturers. So a company that you can get off of Amazon or something like that, they're really upping their game. So Olight, very good job. Congratulations on making a very good product. And I love the color. That is another big thing. And everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It really does help us. And share the video. That is the biggest help, sharing the video, leaving us a comment. Let me know what you actually think of this. If you have any questions, ask me that too. Go hit the link down below. Make the decision yourself. I try to do the best I can when I hit these reviews. And we love sharing tools with the world. We love getting people out there, trying different things, making stuff, trying stuff, Failing is a learning experience and something that we all have to do, but it makes us better at what we want to do, and we become proficient, and then we can help others. So everyone, I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.